guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the top tips and tricks and the basics of iMovie. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up iMovie. It should be free in the App Store, or if it's not, I'm sure it's only a couple of pounds or dollars. Then first thing you're going to do is you're going to click the plus button and you're going to click movie. And you're going to click any videos you want. So I'm just selecting the one video. So now your video is loaded in. What you want to do is, I'm just checking over it here just to make sure it is the correct video. You could press the play button just to make sure it is what you want. If you select the video, it should go yellow and you can pull it, trim it, shorten it, whatever. If you select the video again and click the scissors and it should say split, you can split the video. Then I'm just going to cut out the bit where he's putting concealer on his eyelid, so you can split the video again and then delete that clip, and then that bit won't be there anymore. At the bottom of the screen there's a bit where you can select what you do on the video. If you then click the little speed clock thing, you can change the speed. You can make it fast like this, or you can slow it down to be super slow. If you select the volume button, you can change how high or low you want the volume to be. Then there should be a big T, which is text, and you can change any text you want on here. So I'm just going to click like hey, or you can write anything you want. You can see on the video with this text there is an option for other text. What you want to do is just select them and click X. If you don't want text on the whole video, you can split the video where you don't want the text to be anymore, and then that will take the text away from the other clip. Another basic thing you can do in iMovie is actually zoom in on the videos. So if you just click the little magnifier and you can just zoom in on whatever part of the video you would like. And if you don't want the video all the way zoomed in, just split the scene in half where you want it not to be zoomed in, and then you can just zoom out on the other clip. Now, one of the most basic things to do in iMovie is just add another video or photo. I'm just adding the same video again on here. So you just select, then click the plus button, and that should be now in the video. You can also change the transitions by selecting transition. You can make it shorter or longer, however you like. There's theme, there's slide, wipe, anything like that. So I just went with slide for this one, just like you can see on the screen. Now I'm finished with this clip / video. What you want to do is click done in the left top hand corner. You can also change the name of your clip, so I'm just changing it here as you can see. Now to save your video, you just click the save button on the bottom bar, and then you can click whatever format you want to save that in, and then you're all done. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this will help you on how to use iMovie, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!